You know what sounds nice right now? Music. It's so hard to find the bumpy spots. Yep. It is so icy. This cramps up the feet. That's a terrible movie.
It is. But it's also real.
Well, yeah, the social part of it and the like.
It's like that in real life. That's actually what happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's frustrating. Getting close, guys.
You know what? Let's climb all the way to that mountain up there.
Could you imagine climbing Mount Everest?
At first I thought, I'm like, cause I think there's the record is doing it in one day. I think.
That can't be possible from the bottom to the top, though.
No, I'm not kidding. It was like 1 to 2 days.
It's 25,000 feet.
I know. It already takes 5,000 miles to, sorry, 5,000 feet to reach a mile, so it's only like 5 miles uphill.
That climb right there was only 400 feet.
Well, like total, like up and down, like we've walked more than 400 feet.
No, the elevation.
Yeah, yeah.
So Mount Everest would be that times 4.
But how much do we walk?
2 miles.
That's not bad. I'm doing like a video game point of view. Oh yeah.